Hello everyone, hope you're doing fine. Vivek Aditya, coach and founder of Show Off Fit. Now, recently I did a survey and I asked people if they knew anyone who had a startup idea and that they would share a startup idea for free. You know what the response I got? Which idiot would do that? Which idiot would give their startup idea for free? This is Vivek Aditya, 4th episode in the playlist that I've created, where I'm sharing you an idea that could be implemented. This idea can be implemented globally or at least in your neighborhood. Okay? I'm going to put myself as a customer. I'm going to tell you how I feel, what I feel, and share you and open up an idea that how you could play around with it and be a winner. Now, see, at my place, at my home, we normally require 3 meals a day. We require 3 meals a day. So we have to put in a lot of preparation behind preparing the meals. One, what are we going to prepare? Okay. Then hunting down for the items that we require. Then prep up the meals, prepare the meals. Okay. Then clean up. This is a tedious process as such. And to be frank, let me tell you, most of the time in a month, our meals are repetitive. Frankly, heart of heart, I would prefer new meal every time. There are so many meals prepared on this planet. I wish I could explore. Okay, and for many reasons, that it doesn't happen, right? So the pain point for me, or rather, you could say, how it would help me if in my neighborhood, which is not happening at the moment. I'm sure in your neighborhood also this might not be happening. I wish, okay, somebody could give me. I know what I'm spending a month, okay? I know for the spend that I'm doing, what is the quantity that I'm going to get. I wish somebody could deliver hot, deliver hygienic, deliver the size that what I'm looking at, okay? Deliver at the same cost, what would normally cost me to my place. I would be glad. I would be eliminating all the pain points that I told you earlier. Saves me time, saves my family the time. Whatever the time that we will spend to do this, that time we can constructively put somewhere else. This is where the opportunity comes, onto your lap. What you could do. I'm going to give you an idea, step-by-step idea, what you could do about it. You're a winner already because the customer has told you what does he want. He's told you his pain points. You just have to address it. In your neighborhood, which is going to be large community, just the neighborhood, think about it. Then you can branch out, you can do it. Okay, it could be an individual, you could be a big guy with a set of team and things like that. It could happen. You might be thinking, gosh, in my community there are people require different kinds of menus. How am I going to prepare all of them? Am I not going to be in trouble? If you think properly, you're not going to be in trouble at all. You're just not going to be in trouble. What did the customer say? Customer said that he needed a new meal. If he can get a new meal every time, new, okay. Second, he said hygienic. He said served hot, served at the price, whatever it would cost him normally to prepare at home. Understand? He's not accounting the time that they are spending to do that. That again adds price to the existing price as such. Okay? Let's leave that aside. So he told you that. What he could do, let me tell you about it. You can use any kind of a platform to put across your message. I would tell you, make sure that you get yourself organized to have 3 different kinds of menus for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner. 3 different prepared. Okay. Now, send across a message to customer. This is what we're going to prepare on this day. This is what we're going to prepare on this day. This is what we're going to prepare on this day. This is what, put it either on a website, whatever platform that you would want it. So me as a customer exactly knows what are you going to prepare on a Wednesday. Okay, and if you don't repeat the menu, it is more of a plus point for you. Okay, it is simple because for breakfast is 3, for lunch is 3, for dinner is going to be 3 for you. It's simple, right? Now you can scale up this because you're only preparing limited items, and you can go large number as such. Now the customer, when he looks at the menu, let's say he goes for it. Initially, I understand that the acceptance could be on a lower side, but once it picks up, it's going to do wonders, because the customer is going to realize that he doesn't have to eat the same food that he's eaten, because you're not going to repeat it. You're just not going to repeat it probably after 6 months or 1 year. There are so many menus available, right? If you ask me out. Now, when the customer places you, you know the number of orders coming for on that particular day, either breakfast, lunch or dinner. You know about it. It becomes simple for you to prepare it, and for sure it is not going to cost you the same as it would cost a single customer. It would cost you much lesser, because you are preparing it on a scale. On a large scale you're going to be preparing it, so it's going to cost you much lesser. That's where the business model comes for you. If you plan on this path, and the customer realizes over a period of time that he doesn't need a kitchen at all. Kitchen is going to be just dummy. Every order that he knows already, right? It is not going to cost him more than what it would cost him at home. And every time hygienic food, hot food is being served to his place, which is saving him time. He's going to book all his 3 meals, 30 days a month, 365 days a year. Work on being positive. This is a great business module. Okay, if you understand how to go about it, you can tie with the existing restaurant and do it. You can start your own restaurant and do it. It's all the idea that how you're going to implement it, right? You just have to sit, take a pen and paper, plan yourself out, and go about it. Right? So I've given you on the content on how we're going to go about it, and very shortly I'll be coming out with new ideas as such. If you have any business idea that you would want me to make a plan for you and give it to you, please mention it in the comment section and let me see how I can help you on it. And if you like the content that I've given you, go ahead and subscribe and let your friends know about it. Let us make our community serve other people and give an opportunity for people who wanted to make a great living for themselves, make a name for themselves. All the best. See you soon. Bye-bye. Stay healthy. Stay safe. Bye-bye.